What day is it? I think it's Saturday. That means I have nothing to do today. Good. What, it's Sunday? Aw. Well, dang it! Hey YouTubers, I'm here to talk about stuff. Time for some breaking news! Let's go to Colin with the breaking news. Colin? Thanks, Colin. In news today, BFBC has made their second album. It's pretty cool. It's got 7 songs on it. You should probably buy it. And here's the weather with Colin. Colin? It's cold outside. Thanks, Colin. And now it's time for... Dang it, what's it time for? Sunday Smash! Yeah, Sunday Smash. Take it, Colin, from about 5 weeks ago, maybe. I don't know. Just go with it. Today we're going to smash this airplane. Okay, we're going to smash this model airplane. Keto gets first smash on this one.
Right there. Middle.
Right there. Oh my god! Holy crap!
Both the wings.
Oh my god!
Both the wings got one in one hand. Your turn.
Look at this! That's in slow-mo. Alright, this is far from finished.
No.
This is far from finished.
It's easily smashable. Great.
Okay. This plane has become awesome. Once again, Keto has caused more destruction on this show than ever.
Kinda got stuck in it.
This is more destructive when we had Oprah on the show.
I thought it was gonna go over the side.
If it did,
oh, I found more CD pieces.
Oh boy. Your turn. Okay, you can finish this off.
Really? You're gonna quit that soon?
I don't know. Why not? Pieces.
One of those wings came off.
Where?
So do you quit?
I'm not. You get to decide if this thing is smashed or not.
But do you want to keep smashing it?
I'll take one more smash. Just for the heck of it. What?
That was your mom's ear reflecting in the window. Go. Just go.
I think I missed.
No, you hit one. No, I think you missed. Okay.
All right. Here we go. This is Keto. He's gonna destroy this. And another wing is gone.
For the wheels.
Ah, nothing.
Dang it! Oh no!
This has been another episode of OkaySwimmingPool, and I'll see you on Tuesday.
It didn't look very appetizing now, so we ran over it. But hey, it sure tasted good.
I'm wearing a tie. I'm wearing a tie because I like wearing ties. Yeah, yeah. And I na 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 ba 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 do da blah blah ba 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 do bow.